Hey everyone, in this video we're going to solve a mathematical expression that can trick a lot of people. Before seeing the solution, try to do it in your head and see if you get the right result. Shall we? Now you know the correct answer. If you got it right, comment below. If you got it wrong, don't worry. This type of expression tricks many people. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel and follow the upcoming challenges. See you in the next video.